GoHighLevel, also known as GHL, is a CRM and marketing platform built for agencies, consultants, local service businesses, and anyone who generates leads and manages clients for a living. It combines your CRM, email marketing, SMS automation, funnel builder, appointment booking, reputation management, and even AI into one single dashboard. One login, one platform, one monthly bill. In this video, I will walk you through the core value of this platform and spare you the headache of sifting through irrelevant information. And at GHLCRM.me, we provide guides, done-for-you automation templates, and niche relevant snapshots ready to deploy in minutes. I also partner with GoHighLevel as an affiliate to offer you an extended 30-day free trial, and I may receive a commission if you sign up with my link. That said, let's dive in. GHL empowers you to generate leads by creating funnels and landing pages from scratch, building them in seconds with Funnel AI, or launching them with a template. The moment a potential client fills out a form, clicks an ad, or lands on one of your pages, it automatically captures that lead. It then drops them into the right pipeline and immediately starts following up through SMS, email, voicemail drops, whatever sequence you've set up, all without you touching a thing. You could be on a call with another client, at the gym, or asleep, and GoHighLevel is out there warming up your next customer. For local service businesses like plumbers, roofers, med spas, and fitness gyms, this alone is transformational. You stop losing jobs to competitors just because they called back faster. For consultants and agencies managing multiple clients, you're delivering that same powerful follow-up system to every single client account, all from one place. Another valuable tool is the AI Employee, which is available across all GoHighLevel plans. It is a collection of AI-powered tools that act as a 24/7 digital staff member, automating lead engagement, customer support, and administrative tasks. This virtual employee is trained on your business information, products, FAQs, and your tone of voice, so the conversations it holds feel personal and on brand. It qualifies prospects, answers questions, and books appointments directly into your calendar, all without a human involved. When something genuinely needs a real team member, it hands off seamlessly. The result is increased productivity, a dramatically reduced manual workload, and a business that is actively converting leads even when your team is completely offline. For agencies, you can deploy this across every client you manage, which makes it one of the most powerful value adds you can bring to the table. GoHighLevel CRM gives you a complete bird's-eye view of every lead and client relationship in your business. Every interaction, every conversation, every deal is tracked in one place with a visual pipeline that shows you exactly where your revenue is coming from and what needs your attention. You're not guessing anymore. You're making decisions based on real data in real time, which means you close more deals and waste less energy on leads that were never going to convert. A quiet killer of local businesses is a lack of online reviews. GoHighLevel automates the entire review generation process. After every appointment, every completed job, every positive customer interaction, GoHighLevel automatically sends a review request via SMS or email at exactly the right moment. More 5-star Google reviews mean increased visibility on Google and AI search results. More people will find and choose your business over everyone else. It works silently in the background and compounds over time into serious, sustained business growth. GoHighLevel's white label SaaS capability enables smart agencies to run a hybrid business model by combining their done-for-you services with a branded version of GoHighLevel that they resell directly to their clients as their own proprietary software. This dramatically increases their earnings from every client relationship. So the clients are paying for the service and paying a monthly software subscription, all under the agency's brand. Clients stay longer, pay more, and the relationship becomes far stickier than a traditional retainer ever could be. That is how agencies go from trading time for money to building something that actually scales. Now, when it comes to pricing, GoHighLevel CRM offers 3 plans. The agency starter plan at $97 per month is perfect for solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners just getting started. You get full CRM functionality, unlimited contacts, email and SMS marketing, funnel building, appointment scheduling, and access to the AI employee. It covers everything you need to start landing and managing clients professionally. The Agency Unlimited plan at $297 per month is where growing agencies and consultants live. You get unlimited sub-accounts, white label capabilities, advanced automation, and everything you need to manage multiple clients and start building your own branded software business. And then there's the Agency Pro plan at $487 a month, built for SaaS entrepreneurs and agencies looking to go SaaS. You get full SaaS automation, custom branded mobile apps, advanced rebilling, and API. GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial across all plans. However, my referral link gives you an extended 30-day free trial, giving you enough time to test the platform. The link is in the description below on our website at ghlcrm.me. You'll find everything you need to get set up fast and start seeing real results. Hit subscribe because we're putting out a lot more GoHighLevel content, and drop a comment below to tell me which part of your business you most need to automate right now. I'll see you in the next one.